Tell us about yourself.
I'm Nilesh Mishra. I'm from Mumbai, India. I did my bachelor's in mechanical engineering from University of Mumbai, and currently I'm pursuing my master's in mechanical engineering from University of Wollongong, Australia. I also have 6 years of work experience in the field of automobile and manufacturing industries. I've worked in various departments like quality assurance department. I've worked for production department. I've worked as a logistic in a logistic department. I used to work for in various new launch programs. I have interest for outdoor games like rugby and soccer, cricket. Yeah.
Can you describe a time where you had to work in a diverse team? What challenges did you face and how did you overcome them?
I still remember when I was working for Tata Motors in the beginning of an year, like first 3 months, the production rate is very high, and that's when company works for 3 shifts instead of 2 shifts. The people from my department, especially the technicians, they were not ready to work for the third shift, and it was very difficult to achieve the production target. And since the production rate was very high, so the only thing possible was to run the third shift, and third shift without workers and technicians, it was impossible. So I tried convincing them, and told them that if you guys are ready willing to work with me for 2 shifts, it's gonna be a good for with both of us, and then we can achieve the target. And they got ready, and we worked for straight 2 months, back to back in 2 shifts for almost 16 hours, and we were able to achieve the target.
Can you please describe a time when you have used your technical expertise or competence to show a problem, to solve a problem which results in a positive and or productive outcome?
When I was working for General Motors India, I was working for supply chain and planning department. At the same time, I was looking for new launch programs. So my responsibility was to segregate all the parts as per planning uh, on the assembly line, and make sure that there should not be any uh, 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 like parts issues. So just before the build, and we used to have a build for new launch vehicles twice in a month. That's when like people from all the departments, we used to gather there, we used to do a research, we used to talk about things which is to be happen or not happen. But there was this one point when just before the build, there was this one component which was missing, and that component used to be used for tightening the engine mounting, and engine without running vehicle engine without and vehicle without engine is impossible. So what I did is like I immediately asked for the people for a meeting, and with my colleagues and my technician staff, everybody, and I asked them to uh, grab like those mountings for engine thing from the vehicles which was already been uh, built, and we can able to find those mountings, and without any hesitation, any problem, our build was complete.
Do you have any questions for us?
Yeah, I want to know like for this particular position, what your company expects from an engineer and from me, and what are long and short term planning of your company.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.